Mohon audio dimatikan ya. Terus jangan lupa ngisi presensi di siang ya.
Baik, Bu.
Recording in progress.
Can I sport on my side or on your side?
Sini supaya ada tulisan kimia unsur kelas C ya. Oh, iya. Kok sih? Oke, kurang. For again, ya. For again, a student will connect. Three. Oke. Kurang satu lagi ya. Baik. Oke. Jumlah satu ya 46 jumlahnya, 47 dong. Saya mulai aja ya. Oke ya, start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, Wednesday, 27 of August 2025. Yeah, today we continue the class of element chemistry, ya, class C, ya. With you, my student, with the topic still acid base, ya, acid base. And today, not me will lecture, but the other professor, ya, there's Professor Dr. Fauzi Evis Mahmud, ya, from National National Research Center Egypt, ya, will give you the lecture about the Lewis acid base, ya, concept and application, ya. Before start, I want to remind you to Afif kok gak bisa begitu? Afif, kok gak bisa share screen kok yang Loh, jangan, no. Oh, gitu. I'm sorry, Professor Elvis. I will give the introduction before you. Oke ya, oke. I mana share screen-nya? Nanti ibu dulu. Oh, hilang.
Sir, please stop share screen.
Stop share screen.
Okay.
I am first, ya, before you. Kok hilang gini? Iki ya. Kok hilang? Ini kan kayak sebenarnya. Kok emang ini bisa share? Kemarin kok nggak stop? Iki share. Sebenarnya. Iya, advance. Itu kemarin mau, itu kemarin iki. Oke. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Student, can you see?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I start for introduction, yeah. Today I perform the visiting lecturer part 5, yeah, for element chemistry class C 2025. I invite Professor Dr. Ebis Fauzi, Ebis Mahmud from National Research Center, and also Egyptian Journal of Chemistry in Egypt, yeah. This is the title of my visiting lecture program in my proposal. Yeah, it is the concept and application of Lewis acid base in element chemistry. But the title of visiting lecture presentation it is by Prof. Evis. It is about concept and application of Lewis acid base in organometallic reaction. This is my request, yeah, because his expertise about organometallic and organophosphor, yeah, thing like that. And this is purpose of visiting lecturer program. It is suitable or matched with in my proposal, yeah, to improve learning quality of element chemistry, especially about concept and application of Lewis acid base. And second, to build sharing of knowledge, yeah, by researcher of National Research Center Egypt, yeah, in element chemistry, yeah. And third, to increase number and quality of reputable international publication by collaborative journal publication. This is there is two activities this year about the visiting lecturer and also collaborative journal publication. Yeah, it is between me and Prof. Evis. Yeah, I will. Then this is my experience in publication in Egypt, yeah, in this Egyptian Journal of Chemistry, and Prof. Evis also part of the manager here, yeah. So it gives the my idea to invite him to give you the lecture, especially in my class of element chemistry, yeah, because fortunately, he is also the professor in National Research Center, yeah, yeah, and also because he is also the manager of the AJM, I hope he can help me and other lecturer for the next visiting lecture program to help the lecturers in Brawijaya in publication. And this is a profile of visiting lecturer today, named Professor Dr. Evis Fauzi Evis Mahmud, institution 2, ya, institution National Research Center in organometallic and organometalloid chemistry department. Egypt, and second Egyptian Journal of Chemistry. This is the Scopus key 3, ya, journal. And research experience, it is synthesis of organophosphorus compound. It is his research in master degree and also PhD degree, yeah. And also gold and iron catalyst in organic reaction. It is connected to his postdoc, yeah. And publication, I get book and journal for book, his book about the organophosphor chemistry and organogold compound, and journal organophosphorus compound and iron refract catalyzed reaction. So I think the green letters here it is connected to the Lewis acid base, yeah. So I invite him to give you a lecture, yeah, or class of element chemistry, yeah. And this is a potential for next visiting lecture. I hope for class of element chemistry today about organometallic reactions. And next, I hope rock mineral reactions with the other visiting lecture. Yeah, metabolism, heart, and medicine with other visiting lecture. And industrial process and it's and the concept including acid base and also redox reaction. Yeah, I think like this. I need remind you, my student, that in this program you are divided in 9 groups, and each group have or contain 5 students. Your task in this program, you have to give the one question to Prof. Avis for each group. Yeah, how if sick, please you keep include in your group. I think like that. And also I will give you the questionnaire. Yeah, you give questionnaire, give the evaluation for the Prof. Avis. I hope your loving heart to support Prof. Avis in the visiting lecture. Give the question and give the questionnaire in love. I think I hope like that. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Prof. Avis, you can start your lecture. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Kawan kok menang itu? Wait for connection. Oke ya, saya ulangi sambil menunggu katanya masih poor connection ya. Jadi dalam visit lecture ini tugas Anda nanti akan memberikan pertanyaan untuk satu grup satu pertanyaan ya. Tolong pertanyaannya ditulis di chat ya. Jadi yang menulisnya adalah selama presentasi ya, jangan nunggu setelah selesai. Jadi jangan seperti waktu Pak Tarno waktu itu ya. Jadi saya harapkan dosen tamu bisa memilih pertanyaan mana yang akan dijawab gitu ya. Jadi mari kita menyayangi beliau gitu ya sebagai visiting lecturer dari GIP gitu. Dan juga sudah ya. Juga ada kuesioner ya. Jadi tolong saya mohon supportnya ya. Saya cek. Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You can start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
It's good connection now.
Bisa ya?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. First, I want to. It's a pleasure to meet you today in this meeting, virtual meeting by Dr. Totek. I very first I wanted to introduce my thanks and gratitude for this invitation to be with you. I will today. I will, as Dr. Totek introduced me, we will talk about concept and the applications of Lewis acid base in organometallic reactions. For all students, we will begin from understanding acid-base behavior. First, we will define who is acid, who is base, and second, we will apply this in organometallic reactions. Who I am? I am Professor Fawzi Awais Mahmoud. a research professor in National Research Center. My research focusing on organometallic reactions with its applications in catalysis, in polymer chemistry, in pharmaceutical chemistry, to be efficient in its application. I have and published about 60 articles and review articles in organic chemistry. Today, we will talk about acid-base chemistry and its application or organometallic chemistry. First, we were learning object as an overview of this topic. We will, if you take a look about this one, we will take a branched Lewis acid-base series. We will define and compare branched acid bases and the Lewis acid bases in the first. Identify conjugated base pairs. After that, we will learn about strengths of acids and the bases. How to classify acid and the base according to their strengths. We knows about distinguish between strong acid and strong base, weak acid and weak base. If you in the lab and you will study, you will differentiate between a strong acid and strong base according this lecture, inshallah. We will also apply conjugate acid base relationship. We will discuss about this relationship. After that, we will talk about trends in acidity and basicity. Also, we will talk about acid-base chemistry in non-aqueous medium. As you know, all of them, acid and the base should be tested first in solution, in aqueous solution like water. So we will study also and give a hint about acid-base chemistry in non-aqueous medium to predict the behavior acid-base in solvent, aprotic solvent, and molten salts. Understand solvent leveling effects. We will talk about application, apply principle to design functional molecules and the Lewis acids. After that, we will talk about advanced acid base models like hard and soft acid bases, HSAB theory. We will to predict the stability of compounds. For example, in organometallic reactions, you should know who is a strong acid, who is strong base. Also, in modern trends, you should know about hard and soft acids bases to predict the stability of this compound to continue in your reactions or not. First, as you know, in basic concept, who is acid, who is base, and what's the difference between acid base and also salt. As you know, table salt like NaCl. Who is NaCl? Who is acid? In basic definitions, in between, I consider acid and the bases like man and woman. For example, acids don't need protons. Their testing is sour, stick in touch. This is if you, but be careful when you deal with acid and the base in the lab. You should to be careful. Stick in touch, this acid. In solution, if you dissolve acid in solution, solution means in water. You this solution will be rich in ions of hydrogen. Acids also turns blue litmus paper to red. If you bring litmus paper and put in it acid solution, it will be turns to red. And vice versa, bases accept protons. If you acid donate protons, acid accept the protons. This test is bitter, slippery in touch. In solution of base is rich in hydroxyl ion and turns litmus paper to blue. So acid against base, it is two classes. The third class is salt. Salt, it is not acid or base, but dissolve in water with ionically bond. So in salt should form ionic bond if you dissolve in water. After this classification, if you scientists classify also acid and base into three major classes. First of all, Arrhenius definition states is the first one. He put a definition to acid base. For example, acid produce hydrogen protons in solution, and the base produce hydroxyl proton. After that, there is another theory about Bronsted-Lowry, and the third theory, Lewis definition of acid and the base. This is the modern one. After that, the advanced trends, theory of hard and soft Lewis acid bases. Everything is okay, Tote? Tote? Everything is okay?
Yes. You talk to me?
Yes. The voice and is clear?
Yes, your voice is clear. I
Okay.
hope you directly about the Lewis acid base to
Okay, yes, we will, yes. This is just an introduction to define the acid and the base. The content of Lewis acid, we will introduce Lewis acid as we mentioned before. We will talk about hardness of the bases, electrostatic covalent model, frustrated Lewis pairs, applications, Lewis acid in organometallic reactions, and we will take home message after that questions. The first theory of Bronsted and the Lewis acid is defined by Arrhenius at 1883. This is a simple definition: acid produce hydrogen ions and the bases produce hydroxyl ions. This is the first definition. After that, Bronsted-Lowry, he is more widely definition about acid donate protons, base accept protons. After that, Lewis defined acid accept electron pairs, bases donate electron pairs. If you look at this figures, the small definition or is Arrhenius. After that, Bronsted-Lowry is the biggest one, is Lewis definition. I can also Arrhenius acid and the base are subclass for Bronsted-Lowry, which is themselves subclass of Lewis and acid definition. They are example like hydrochloric acid, ammonia is a base, trifluoroboron is a Lewis acid. Arrhenius theory. This is the simplest and at least general one. Describe acid and the base, but it describe acids react to each other to make water and salt, as this is a simple manner. But the most failure of Arrhenius theory, they doesn't explain why some substances don't contain hydroxyl ion. If you substance with no hydroxyl or hydrogen, how can classify it? This is base or acid. So is a failure with Arrhenius theory, and this is okay in his age or his time of science. So after that came Bronsted and the Lowry theory. He can define acid is a substance that release proton. It is the same as Arrhenius. Okay, substances accept protons. They can react to each other to form, for example, a reaction. So we can form basic salt. If you, for example, this equation fluorine ion in aqueous solution with water can form hydrogen fluoride aqueous solution with hydroxyl ions. So basic salt like sodium fluoride generate hydroxyl ion in water solution. So this is a definition of acid or base. When branched acid dissociate, what meaning dissociate in a solution? So there are acid dissociation equation which by branched acid hydrogen ion. For example, if you calculate the concentration of hydrogen, calculate the concentration of acid and solution, you can calculate the acid dissociation or basic dissociation factor. The third theory is Lewis acid base theory, and it depends on lone pairs donor or acceptors. For example, Lewis acid electron based donor, Lewis acid electron pair acceptors to form the compounds, new compound. For example, if you react with reaction between ammonia and the acid, you NH3 react with any acid, it will be a form ammonium hydronium ion. This is the formation of Lewis and acid. It depends on lone pairs, donator or acceptors. Second one, how to determine strong acid and strong base, Lewis weak acid or weak base. The first principles, if you want to measure the strong or weak acid base, first you should dissolve in water. For example, if